Welcome back to the channel. If you want to keep your living space spotless and fresh, finding the best vacuum cleaner for home is essential. Let us begin.
Product number 1. Bissell 2033M Featherweight Stick Lightweight Bagless Vacuum. First on our list is an incredible stick option that ensures comprehensive coverage for both your hard floors and carpets. This model captures stunning results by utilizing a powerful suction mechanism, giving you impeccably clear floors and surfaces. It comes equipped with a highly advanced versatile cleaning tool, allowing it to maintain maximum hygiene for your household. One of the primary highlights is its ultra-fast conversion capability, enabling you to manage stubborn dirt directly at impressive speeds. It features a built-in specialized crevice tool to navigate tight spaces seamlessly. For added convenience and security, it includes a premium dirt container and utilizes a robust, lightweight design built to withstand extreme usage. With its wide cleaning capabilities and seamless dirt removal, this setup ensures complete peace of mind for every single cleaning task you absolutely take inside your lovely home. Maintain a spotless environment with this powerful portable device every single day while effortlessly moving from room to room.
Product number 2. Bissell Pet Hair Eraser Allergen Liftoff with Powerful Suction. Next up is a highly popular model that beautifully combines high performance with practical functionality for everyday household chores and pet owners. This upright setup delivers crisp cleaning results from the main floor nozzle and incredibly sharp detailing from the included specialized pet tool. It utilizes an advanced bagless dirt cup combined with an anti-allergen sealing technology to guarantee balanced suction in any condition, whether vacuuming delicate area rugs or navigating completely dirty hard floors. Reviewing your dirt collection is exceptionally simple thanks to the integrated transparent dirt cup container, which lets you preview, manage, and empty crucial debris instantly. It provides continuous protection through multiple liftoff modes, actively cleaning if an unexpected mess occurs while your vacuum is securely stationed. This amazing unit supports reliable corded power, automatically delivering consistent suction to prevent any annoying battery issues, while its durable shell offers excellent resistance for consistent operation on all your long daily deep cleaning trips. Product number 3. Eureka Lightweight Powerful Upright Vacuum Cleaner. Moving along, we have another premium upright option that gracefully elevates the user experience by incorporating a highly responsive height adjustment interface and incredibly convenient crevice tool features. Capturing your entire household mess in brilliant, high-efficiency resolution with an expansive floor view, it effortlessly records vital dirt details across multiple rooms of fast-moving traffic. The significantly enhanced large-capacity dust cup guarantees that your workflow remains crystal clear and perfectly unhindered during late evening cleaning hours. Safety is always a primary focus with this advanced device, allowing you to use simple manual instructions for completely hassle-free operation, thereby drastically minimizing dangerous dirt blockages while cleaning. The smart, compact design makes it remarkably simple to clean stairs or adjust settings with a simple tap. It features an integrated washable filter to provide traceable air filtration on your floors. With an included high-capacity dirt tank, seamless continuous suction, and a sensitive brush roll, it delivers exceptional cleaning security. Product number 4. Shark Navigator Liftaway Deluxe Upright Vacuum Cleaner. Our next selection takes household cleaning to a unique level with a comprehensive upright system that meticulously monitors absolutely everything on your floors. This innovative device captures a complete wide-degree clean, vacuuming the front, rear, sides, and interior of your carpets simultaneously in incredibly clear high efficiency. It is an absolutely ideal solution for homeowners who want total dust elimination and complete carpet documentation. Managing your extensive cleaning routine is incredibly straightforward thanks to the built-in lift-away technology and a totally free extra-long crevice tool that allows you to safely clean tight spaces right from your hand. The system utilizes continuous corded power to manage energy very efficiently, seamlessly replacing old dirt when the dust cup is completely full. It also features a reliable anti-allergen seal system that immediately locks critical dust particles during sudden vacuum movements, preserving essential hygiene. Powered by a high-performance motor, this very unique vacuum runs smoothly in extreme messes.
Finally, we have an exceptionally advanced upright vacuum system perfectly packed with cutting-edge compact capabilities and highly intelligent turbo brush features for maximum household cleanliness. This powerful device safely captures true high-efficiency clarity from the main floor nozzle and incredibly clear detailing footage from the quick-release wand, ensuring all pet hair and dust signs are perfectly removed. It strongly stands out by supporting true multi-surface cleaning, allowing you to vacuum thick carpets and track your hard floor's exact condition through your home even when you are very far away. The seamlessly integrated scatter-free technology makes trapping large particles incredibly fast and very convenient. It features an enhanced brush roll system with a wide cleaning path to safely capture beautifully balanced dirt in dark corners or heavy dusty weather. With reliable, continuous corded power, a highly responsive lightweight steering mechanism, and an optimized extra-large dust cup, it consistently delivers exceptionally stable performance and long-term durability.
That concludes our comprehensive breakdown of the top options available on the market today. Make sure to check out the description below for links. Like and subscribe. See ya!